Assalamualaikum and good morning. Today we will present our camera casing for project Mould Design. Firstly, I will introduce our team members. The first name is Fadhli bin Ismail. Number metric B0717108225. Second, Amin Sollehin bin Mustapha. Number metric B0717100630. Third, Syahmie Sufi bin Abdul Shukor. Number metric B0717100809. And lastly, my name is Ahmad Irsyad bin Azhar. Metric number B0717100611. Firstly, on the table of content, for the chapter 1, we will introduce the product plastic part, and for chapter 2, we will explain about the mold design process, and for the chapter 3, we will show the result analysis, and for the chapter 4, the mold assembly design, and lastly, the lesson learned in the chapter 5. Chapter 1 for the product plastic part. The purpose of our choosing product, because this product is waterproof. It can withstand much greater depth underwater. So the product can go diving up to 60 meters, equal to 196 feet. This product also is shock resistant. The camera casing can protect from the dead and flying debris. It is also can protect the camera if dropped from the free falling up to 30 meters. Then this product can prevent the fogging lens. If our environment is trapped by humidity inside the housing, it can fog when the subject the camera to temperature. For our dimension of the camera casing is 64. For the volume is 64.38 cm3, and for the mass 70.94 gram, and for the size 171.55 times 60.72 and times 24.50 millimeter. So for the material of the making this camera casing is the main part. Camera casing was made from acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, or called ABS plastic, while the lens cover was made from glass and stainless steel to prevent the part from rusting.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amin bin Mustapha, and I will continue our presentation in this chapter. Okay, for this chapter is Mould Design Process. In this chapter, we explain about the series of steps and decisions involved in the way work is complete. We may not realize it, but processes are everywhere and in every aspect of our leisure and work. Okay, let me explain more about the mold design process. Okay, as we can see, this is the flowchart of our project. First we start, and then we use the 3D part drawing as input data, and then after we finish the drawing, and we determine of shrinkage factor value. Okay, after that we use to defining parting line, and after the defining parting line, we find out there's two way, which is automatic and manual. So we choose automatic. For the automatic, after the defining mold base, there is 4 way. After we go through the online learning, and we found that Futaba, ESCO, DME, and no mold base. And then throughout this way, after that we insert more component if Yes, insert sprue bush and circular ring. Okay, so insert the cooling channel, and after insert the cooling channel, if yes, insert cooling channel again. After that, with explode check, if not okay, we back to the 3D modeling again. We use to correct the drawing again, and use the same way, and then 3D mold assembly drawing, and then finish. Okay, for the next chapter is analysis result. This section aims to narrate the findings without trying to interpret or evaluate, and also provide a direction to the discussion section of the research paper. The results are report and reveals the analysis. The analysis section is to describe what was done with the data found. Okay, this is the result of our project, and this is the picture of the fill time of our project. Okay, the next is sync mark. This is our sync mark of our project, and then the result show this is the air trap of our product. As we can see, there is four air trap at the first product, and the second product is we got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 air trap. For the total is 13 air trap in our product. Lastly is the well line. Well line is based on the picture, we got well line on our product, and as we can see in the picture here.
Alright, so for the next chapter, we will take a look at the mold assembly drawing for our mold design project.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Fadhli. So I will present to you about our drawing. Okay, this is our part drawing. We choose our part is camera casing. So the material for the camera casing is plastic ABS. For this product, there has a S2 boss, S2 cut, hole, fillet, draft angle, and ribs features. So for the product dimension, the length for the product is 54 mm. Then for the width is 60, and height is 24.5 mm. Okay. For this slide, as you can see, this is our core drawing. So our core drawing was made based on the mold machine by using the dimension 200 mm times 110 mm, and the height is 30 mm. As you can see, the core mold was to shape the bottom of the product. Based on our product, the bottom of the product is the square shape. So at the core, it just has the square shape for the two product. So okay. Okay, for this slide, this is our cavity drawing. As you can see, our cavity drawing is to shape for the top of our product. So the shape is a little bit complicated. In our cavity, there are consist several features such as airflow, runner, and gate. The airflow is the function. The airflow function is to release the air from inside the mold. So they will have less air bubble inside the mold. So for the runner and gate is to flow the liquid material to the design shape. Okay.
Hello, my name is Syahmie Sufi by Abdul Shukor, and I will continue with our group presentation for mold design subject. Alright, next we will see the open and close animation of the mold for our group project. The last chapter for today's presentation is the lesson learned that we can get from this project. In this chapter, we will see the discussion and conclusion for overall of our project. We can summarize that there are two discussions for this group project. Firstly, there are some reasons why nowadays manufacturers have increasingly turned into plastic materials to develop new products. The reasons are such as the lighter parts, the less scraps, more affordable materials, and greater design flexibility for making the plastic part product. And then the second discussion is the key factor for avoiding the conventional mold prototyping process is with the mold filling simulations. We can see that from the simulation that our group have produced, we can see that we can analyze the mold process easily and use less time. Alright, next we will take a look at the conclusion for this group project. We also have studied on how to make the cavity and core for injection molding process from the SolidWorks software. And then last but not least, we also have achieved our target for completing this project with our casing camera mold design analysis. And that is all for our group project presentation for this Mould Design subject. Thank you for your kind attention and have a nice day everyone. Thank you.